Okay, good morning YouTubers. Sawmill Bill 70 here, and I think it's about 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and this is Monday morning. This is the day after the big snowstorm. Right now it's kind of calm. It's not windy. I think it's supposed to get windier later, but I'm getting ready to plow, so I'll bring you along. I'll do some plowing here. See how it kicks this snow around, and I'll bring you along for that, and I'll show you what we got going here. Alright, it looks like we got about 8 or 9 inches of snow. I'm just guessing, I haven't measured it yet, but you can see the snow on the. And yeah, I know you can't tell, but anyway. Haven't seen any signs of the cat. I think the cat's in there. We set some food in there. We didn't want to put food in overnight because it might attract other animals if they get a scent of it and go in and invade her space, and we don't want that. So we put some food in there. I don't know if she's in there or not. I really don't know. But anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to get the mule out. I got the plow hooked up. I'm ready to go. So I'll bring you along for that. I don't know if you can see it, but I hope I didn't do damage to the mule. It doesn't want to run. It doesn't want to idle now. So I don't know what's going on there. So let's just hope it's a glitch and it bounces back and keeps running. But that's a lot of snow to push. Now it's not a wet snow, but it's not the lightest snow I've ever seen either. I don't know.
Could she be in the garage? I don't know. I mean,
Thanks. I heard her real loud right there. I mean, she was whining. She was. And that was my earmuffs on. I heard it.
not under there. She's not under there.
I heard her. She's trapped somewhere. I don't know where. Unless she has a, I don't think she'd get under that step at all. Where the hell would she be? Diane, I already did. I can't. I see nothing.
She's not under here. Oh, yes, she is. Yeah, she is. Dawn, no.
Huh?
She's under here.
That's it.
Yeah, I have to get her out. Izzy. Here.
Okay, I'm back. We just found our cat. We didn't know where she was. She wasn't in her hut. And I was over here plowing like where I am right now. And we got this porch here, our side porch. And I was over here setting the camera up and I heard her crying. She was underneath the porch. She's been under there for over a day now. And she's close to being frozen to death. We had a hard time locating her under there. There's leaves under there, and she made a bed out of that. But normally she would have ran if she heard us, and she didn't. And actually it was the first time I ever touched her ever since we had her. And she gave up a little bit of a fight because she was scared. But we took her indoors, and we have a live cage that we put her in, and put some blankets in there, and we're going to let her thaw out in there a while before we feed her. And I'm sure she'll be back to her old self soon. But what a nightmare that had to be for her. I mean, I think it was down to 14 degrees last night. And it's probably about 18 degrees now, but anyway, we found her. She's never been friendly to us, but you know, we take care of her, and we found her. I'm very happy about that. So anyway, I'm going to finish plowing this here, and then that'll probably be it for this video. You know, all it is pushing snow around. I mean, you know, I'm not going to show you a whole day of it, but it's tough. As you could tell, it was tough for the machine. It was hard. But here we go. Alright, I have some shoveling to do here, handwork. I don't want to try to get any closer. I don't want to damage the garage. But anyway, I got this here to do. And I'm not going to show you that. It's just plowing. But I think you got the gist of it. And actually, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the driveway coming up from the road. I don't know how that's showing up, but it doesn't look like it's showing up good on camera, but I can't tell. And I got some plowing over here to do. And this here, like I said, and that'll be it. And we're ready for the next storm. So we'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate everybody watching, and if you would please subscribe, hit the like button, and tell a friend. And I'm having fun out here. It's a nice day. It's cold, but I really feel good now that we found our cat. I hate to see any animal suffer. I have a real problem with that, but I've got a real soft spot for animals. But anyway, it's good news, and you were kind of here to see it in a way, even though you didn't see it all. But and there's the porch she was under, right there. She was underneath there, trying to stay warm, and she was so cold. I touched her, she hardly ever moved. She was close to being probably going into shock from cold. But I hope she's going to be okay. She's in the house now, like I said, and she's in that cage, and we got blankets in there. She'll thaw out, and she'll be back to her old ornery self, and that'll be good. And we're not looking for a house cat, that's for sure. But I'm not going to let her freeze either. And it's probably not good to keep her in a warm house, but I don't know what else to do. But we'll let her thaw out, and then we'll put her back out in her hut, and she'll stay, nice and comfortable in there. So catch you all in the next video. I appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day.